have been riding with Valiant Riderz since 9 years. Riding was, is and will be my passion. All my dreams came true when I was introduced to Valiant Riderz family. Valiant Riderz has built up a platform where I have seen new talents coming up and growing with us. During this journey, I have seen new riders coming and joining the wings of Valiant Riderz and have grown with us as a family, a Valiant Riderz family.
I am with Valiant Riderz since 2010. Club was just a newborn then. We were just amateurs knowing how to ride. Over the period of time, in 10 years, we have learned through our experiences. We are evolved. Valiant Riderz as a club established itself. Valiant Riderz can be associated with its values. Valiant Riderz can be associated with its riders. Valiant Riderz can be associated now as a brand. Club has its own identity.
Every rider has a dream destination of Leh Ladakh. Valiant Riderz every year visit this location of Leh Ladakh. Last year, I have conquered it. Initially, it was just a name or a riding club for me. There were many members involved in it. But if you ask me now, it has become a brand. I don't see members in it. I see it has a one big family.
Valiant Riderz rides and events gives me sense of fulfillment. I belong here. This is my home.